Okay, so this is what the program should look like when it runs. Um, you're going to get the information for one video game. So let me just enter that information. And I'll put 25 for the number in stock. And then what will happen is, slide this over a little. The menu function will just display this. So these are just cout statements, right? Update game information, add to stock, remove, update, quit, enter a menu choice. And this is where the user is going to, you can just use a CN to read the choice. The choice should be a character, right? Because it's got to be A, R, U, or Q. So I'm going to put add to stock. Now remember, the number in stock is 25. So how many of what I like to add? I'll add 10. So now it should be 35. I'll remove from stock. So I'll say I'll remove 5. I'll update the price to $39. I'll quit. And then when I'm quit, it'll display everything out, which is the title, the console, the price, which is now 39, and the number in stock, which is 30. So remember what we did here is we started with 25, we added 10, so that's 35, and then removed 5, so that's going to be 30. So that's what the program should look like when it runs. Read the instructions and be sure that you can enter both uppercase and lowercase characters, like uppercase Q to quit or lowercase q. The syntax for that is on the project instructions. Also, think about your parameters. So you have 5 functions. Any of those functions that change the video game. Um, so, for instance, add from stock, remove from stock, update price. You need to pass a video game object and it needs to be updated and returned back out. So that could just be a reference parameter. So it can go in, it can be changed, it can come back out. So those will all have, one video game being passed to it that's a reference parameter. The only one I think, you can really think about, well, I'll let you guys think about the parameter list. But if it changes the video game object, it's going to have to be referenced. Okay, and as always, if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.